Hi friends, Namaskar. I am Anita. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make mackerel fish fry. Let's go. We'll make now mackerel fish fry. Here are the ingredients. Take 2 mackerel fish which I have cleaned and made 3 light cuts on each side for the fish. For the spices to blend inside the fish, then take 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, and little bit ginger garlic paste, oil, salt as per taste, red chilli powder and turmeric powder. Now in the bowl take 2 to 3 tablespoons of gram flour. Then I add 1 to 2 tablespoons of rice flour to mix it well. Then add little ginger paste and garlic paste in the mixture. Then take little red chilli powder. Then take little turmeric powder. Then take little bit of salt. Put water in the mixer and mix it well. Little more water. And mix it well. Then apply this paste on the fish. Apply very well. Both sides of the fish. And let it be marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the marinated fish ready. Now we can fry the fish. Put some oil on the pan. On the medium flame. Once oil is heat, then you put the marinated fish on the pan. You should be careful. Wow, it looks so yummy. Let it fry for 5 minutes. Now we'll check the fish. It's fried or not. And turn it. So turn it the other side. Let it fry for 5 minutes more. Now we'll check the fish. Is it fried or not? Now it's done. The fish fried.